Present simple challenges. As we worked on present simple tense in English language, and we'll work on 5 questions, 5 multiple choice questions here, and we'll choose the best answer. For example, here, number 1, James, an engineer. So, am or is or were. Am was used for first person, I. Are for plural person, you, we, they. Is was for he or she. And were is past of or for plural nouns. So we have here James. James is a singular noun. So which one should we use? Yes, is correct, because here, if we want to change James into subject pronoun, we must use of he. And the verb after he will be is for the verb. Number 2, Malcolm, blank place, video game. Play, played, has played, or plays. So, which one is the answer? Play. Play is a simple person and the use of this for first person and plural person, not for third person, as you can see. Played is past form of play. Has played is past participle, and it's used for present perfect. But the tense of this sentence is not present perfect. So and now the place is the answer. Is the answer because we will change the verb for third person, and third person will get s after final syllable. Question 3rd. Anna to school every day. Went, gone, goes, and go. Which one is correct? Went is past form of go. Gone is past participle of go. Goes is third person of go. And go is a simple form. As we have here another subject pronoun, and this is she. If you want to use subject pronoun instead of the noun, we must use of goes here. Number 4, Nina, apple after her workout. As you can see, we have another noun and the verbs and their formations. Eat, eats, ate, and eaten. Eaten is past participle, ate is past form, it's third person form, and it simple form. So use of eats again instead of eat, ate, or eaten. Because ate is a past form, eaten is past participle, it is simple form, and for plural and first person, it's used for the simple and the third person. The last one, John to her girlfriend. Talk, talks, talked, and we can say has talked. For D, this is C, this is D. I think you know the answer, and it is talks. Okay, dear friends, thanks for your watching. Until the next video, see you.